EVS chapter 14 Communication. Explanation. Communication means sending messages from one person to another. The different ways in which we can send messages is known as means of communication. So students, in olden days, message was sent through a messenger. Sometimes the messenger will travel on horseback or on a camelback. Trained pigeons were also used for sending messages, white pigeons. Have you seen? Have you heard about it? Yes. So in today's world, there are many modern means of communication. So in this chapter, let us learn about them. First one, the post office. So what is the use of a post office? The post office sends and receives letters and parcels for us. A postman brings these letters and parcels to our home. Yes or no? If we want to send a message, we can write it on a postcard and in a letter or on a paper, which we can put in an envelope. We then go to the post office, buy a stamp, stick it on the envelope, postcard or inland letter and drop it in a post box. Likewise, after dropping that envelope in the post box, the postman will open the post box and he will collect everything and then he will drop it on the given address. Yes or no? So in this way, post office is useful for us. There are separate post boxes for letters to be sent out of India and for letters to be sent within the country. It is important to write the proper name and address of the receiver on the envelope. Without address, the postman will never come to know to whom you have written the letter. Yes or no? So, it is important to write the name and the address of the receiver, the one who will get the envelope or the letter. The postman will collect the letters and deliver them according to the address. So, I hope this point is clear to you. Next point, telegraph or telegrams. An important message, whether good or bad, can be sent in a very short time through a telegram or telegraph. These were used in olden days. Nowadays, your generation doesn't know about telegraph or telegram. So, I have made the video on this. See, this is how telegram looks. Your parents are aware of telegraph and telegram. But these days, due to mobile phones, due to cell phones, whatever emergency is there, you can just call. You can give a call or send a message, SMS message or WhatsApp. Immediately the other person will receive the message. Yes or no? These days, nobody is using telegraph or telegram. So, the message must be sent in minimum words. Even there are limitations if you are using a telegram or a telegraph for sending the message. So, any important message, whether good or bad, can be sent in a very short time through a telegram or telegraph. So, I hope this point is also clear to you. Let us see the next point, telephone and mobile or cell phone. A telephone allows you to talk to people who are either far away or close by. A mobile phone is a telephone without a wire. Yes, it is a wireless mobile phone, wireless telephone. We can carry our mobile phone anywhere we want. The mobile phone allows us to be in touch with anyone we want at any time of the day, at whichever place we may be. Yes, mobile phone is very convenient to use and everybody has a mobile phone. Even these days, when students are not attending the schools, they are learning through YouTube or Google or through some videos. So, how it is possible? It is possible only through the mobile phone. So, I hope this point is clear to you. On the left hand side, it is a telephone or which was used in olden days. You can see in Bollywood old movies, this telephone is there in each and every movie, and this is our latest mobile phone. Okay, so I hope this point is clear to you. Next point, newspapers. Newspapers tells us about the important events happening around us. What is happening in the whole world? What is happening in India? What is happening around us? We come to know through news. There are many different newspapers printing various events in many different languages. Yes, newspapers are available in many languages. Yes or no? Not only in English, Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, Punjabi, Bengali. So many languages newspapers are available. Newspaper includes sad events, happy events, advertisements of latest movies, books, plays, and even comic stories. You can find jobs also in the newspaper. So everybody should read the newspaper every day. Though you can watch news on the TV, watching and reading newspaper is totally different. Reading will improve your vocabulary. Reading will improve your English. Yes or no? While watching news on TV, you can just hear it. Yes or no? But you must read the newspaper every day. So I hope this point is clear to you. Next point, radio. On the radio, we can hear music, news, as well as other important announcement. Radio is also used even these days. Yes or no? Radio Mirchi, Radio City. Yes or no? So many people are listening to music while they are traveling in the train or in the bus. Yes or no? So radio is radio is very important. Radio is very useful as well. Okay. So I hope this point is clear to you. These days we are having radio in our Android mobile, iPhone mobile also. So people are not keeping radios at home, instead they are using radios on their mobile. So this point is clear to you. Next one, television or TV. The TV is an audio visual medium. It means if we are watching TV, we can see with our eyes and we can hear with our ear. It is known as audio visual medium. It also has many channels operating at the same time in various languages. Yes, using remote we can change any channel we want. Cartoon channels are there, news channels are there, regional language channels are there, English movie channels are there, so many news channels are there, so many devotional channels are there, so many songs channels are there, so many stock exchange channels are there. Yes or no? So whichever channel you want, using the remote you can change the channel. Yes or no? So TV is used for watching news, music, movies, cartoons, serials, shows, information about people, places, food, animals, or emails. We can use smart TV also. These days we are getting smart TV also in the market. If we are attaching our mobile to the smart TV, we can see whatever we want from our mobile in the TV. So emails, watch movies, listen to the news and receive information on any topic we want. Yes or no? So I hope TV is also clear to you. Let us see the last point, internet. The latest form of communication is the internet. You can connect to it through a computer. It helps us to listen to music, send and receive letters. We can send emails also. We can use Google, we can use YouTube, we can use Gmail. Yes or no? If you want to watch a movie, you can use the USB cable, you can connect the pen drive, and you can watch many movies also on the big screen. Yes or no? So you can watch movies, listen to the news, receive information on any topic you want. If you want to search anything, you can search on Google, you can search on YouTube. So internet is also useful. Internet is there on our mobile phone also, and we can attach internet to the desktop or to the laptop also. So always remember, use of all means of communication carefully. So they have their own advantages as well as disadvantages also. Do not watch TV for a longer period of time. Do not keep the volume of radio too loud. It will disturb your neighbors. It will disturb your ears also. Do not talk for long time on the telephone. Don't overuse the mobile phone, students. Always thank the postman for giving you your letters. We must thank everybody who is giving us, who is helping us. Yes or no? So here postman is mentioned. So postman brings letters to you. Today nobody is coming to our home, so we have courier. Yes or no? We have courier people come and they give us the necessary documents and all, so we can thank them also. Yes. So do you know who invented telephone? Telephone was invented by a scientist named Graham Bell. So we must thank him. Yes or no? Due to the invention of telephone, today we are using mobile phone. So I hope this chapter is clear to you. Thank you.